Where to add bank details on Wise. Want to receive money directly into your bank account? Let's walk through how to add your bank details in Wise. So, first go ahead and open up the Wise app and then log into your account. And then from here, go ahead and click on this send button, which should basically find at the right side of scan above your card section. So once you click on this, that will take you into this section. So in here, click on this add button at the left side of upload, and that will take you here. So select your currency from here. Since you want to send the money to yourself, go ahead and make sure to select the currency used to be able to find the option of adding your bank details. So in here, go ahead and select bank details, and that would take you here. So make sure to set this to myself, and then in here, go ahead and add your email, full name, bank name, account number, city, and more information that Wise would ask for you. So enter your bank details, save and verify, and Wise may send a small test deposit or ask for confirmation. And once verified, your bank is linked. And that is how to add bank details on Wise.